Welcome back to my channel, my fabulous top shelf goodie. Your girl is about to turn up this requested recipe. Y'all been asking for this French toast recipe in like forever. Texas toast, honey, in my Jamaican kitchen is finally here. Now, goodie, if you're here watching me cooking up this thing for your very first time, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. After you done subscribe, turn on your notification settings. So what? So you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload videos like this. Whatever me I upload, you'll always be aware whenever your girl upload videos. Okay, now this one I love. It is so delicious, y'all. It's so tempting-licious. The thing is massive, y'all, massive, and I'm about to put my foot up into this thing at once and for all, because guess what? I am having a sweet tooth rush and I am ready, y'all. I am so ready. So come on, let's get this thing on the road, y'all. Let's go.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him.
Okay, my fabulous goodies, let's jump right into this recipe of this sweet delicious, taste delicious of goodness rush right here. Now it's simple ingredients you're gonna need. You'll need cream cheese, soft butter, make sure say butter is nice and soft, peanut butter, and sugar. That sugar right there is powdered sugar. Okay, that is what you're going to need. Now all you're going to do is add all 4 ingredients into a separate container. Okay, you go ahead and you just blend all that in. And goodie, all the amount for this recipe will be listed down below. I'm only making 2 sandwiches and I had leftovers, so this amount can make for as much as you want based on how much you put into the middle of the bread, right? So we cover that. So you go ahead and you add your powdered sugar to the mix right there. All you're gonna do right here is just mix it. Just mix all 4 together. Just keep mixing, don't stop mixing. Mix, 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 blend, 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 stir, stir, stir. Go ahead, stir, stir, stir. And honey, after you get done stirring all that goodness and it comes nice and creamy, it is going to look exactly like melted I can't even explain it to you. The thing does look melted like that, right? Yes, caramel, that's what it looks like, and it smells exactly like caramel. The thing is so good. Now go ahead and just kind of sit that to the side. Now the next thing you're going to do for sure is gather up all your other ingredients, which is very simple. You need eggs and almond extract, vanilla, almond milk, salt, cinnamon powder, and for sweetener I'm going to use maple syrup for the recipe. Right now, do not skip the maple syrup process, because at the end of the recipe you will see why. Maybe you don't want to add that syrup that I had to the recipe at the last of the recipe, the ending, so make sure you add the maple syrup. So yeah, so the thing can still turn up a nice goodie. Yes, my mouth of water already and the thing not even done yet, because I'm about to put my foot up in this recipe. Yeah, good day. Yes, get that maple syrup, right? Thing good. Now the very first thing you're going to do to get started, you get those 2 eggs and you beat them up real good. Beat them real good until everything clash and come together and become friendly as one, right? Good. Beat them up real good before you add it to anything else. Now you're going to get your almond milk. You're going to pour it out in another container. To the almond milk, you're going to add all your spices to it, your almond extract, your vanilla, all of that other stuff. Just go ahead, add them into the mix, because I'm telling you, this dip right here is no regular dip, child. It is taste delicious. I kid you not, taste delicious. This Texas French toast recipe is the Biggity biggity boom bum bum, y'all. The thing is massive. Yes, I'm having a rush already. So I go ahead and mix all that in together. After I mix all that in, I go ahead and then I put my eggs in next. So you mix that first, then you add the eggs in, and you give it a good mix. Now it's time to play dandy shandy with the thing, right? So now I have my French toast there, and those are Texas toast, and them really thick. As you can see, they are very thick, and I love these Texas toast. You could buy these at, let's see, Kroger's or places like that. Very good. This bread is definitely for French toast only, and I love it, right? So all I'm doing here is just packing my goodness, filling into the middle, and I am feeling really sweet delicious right now, so I'm just packing it all up in there. Now when you put the bread on top, you do not press down pan it. You don't want everything to squash out. That insert is going to combine those two together, and it's going to stick for when you flip flop the thing. So I'm going ahead and I'm doing my second one, because Shumi feels so extra greedy right now. Your girl is on a food rush, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and make my second one. I'm having both today by myself. I'm not even sharing with nobody. I want this thing by myself, y'all. So you dip it into the Dunkin' right there. You make sure say that those juices go into the bread. That is so important, because you know what, I have dry thing, right? So you make sure say you get a lot of that good flavor up on that bread. Now I have my non-stick pot right there, my set, and I am going to go ahead and use that. It makes the best French toast, the best scrambled egg, the best breakfast, anything, the best, you name it, it does it. It grill it, do everything, Mr. Grill. I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all two on, because I want this to be fast and I want this to be easy. I want it to be simple. Usually when I'm doing French toast, I like to go back in and add some more of that goodness on top, and just let it fall and simmer and soak right through to the bread, honey. Let that smoke come up, flip flop the thing nice and slow as possible, like that. And there you see, you have your nice golden brown, taste delicious color right there, with that little goodness in the middle peeking through. Oh Lord, the thing is so good. I kid you not, you're gonna love this recipe, y'all. You are going to love. Man, the thing have me singing right now. The thing have me singing. I go to yes, boo. Now it is all done. It took me probably about 5 minutes. I have my stove on medium heat. 2.5 minutes on one side, 2.5 minutes on the other side, a total of 5 minutes, and it was finished. And here is the finished look. The thing is to die for, but as usual, don't die giddy. So because I have my sweet tooth, sweet delicious rush, don't follow me now, don't do it, but it is delish with my syrup. Any syrup of your choice. I just chose to use strawberry, added some extra strawberry on it, and there you have it. The thing is so delicious, so divine, y'all. You are going to fall in love with this recipe, y'all. Now give your girl a big thumbs up, share the recipe with friends and family, let them know what's going on over here, send them goodies, send them. I said send them. Now tell me what you like to see me cooking down, okay, down below. Subscribe to your girl channel, subscribe to the other channel, and remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!